Welcome everybody. We're going to build a little bit of extra strength with our walking workout. Low impact, nice and easy, but go grab a couple bags and fill them up with some books or some vegetables, anything you have around the house that can just add a little bit of weight so we can just get a little bit stronger. Pause the video and hurry back. You ready? Here we go. If you don't have bags, you can still do everything. We're just going to start walking. Just walk and hold your bags. Any amount of weight is good in here. I'm using potatoes, onions, carrots, beets. Just my way to say, if you really want to lose weight, physical activity is amazing, but it's going to be our diet that really helps us to lose weight. And without getting into diet wars, I think we can all agree that the more unprocessed, whole natural foods we eat, the better for our health. And I'll certainly leave it at that. So just walk. Keep showing up for yourself. We're going to make big changes even in 10 minutes of physical activity. We're just moving. I truly believe if you were just to walk 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day, that would be enough. That could be your workout for the entire day. And then we carry our groceries maybe a couple of days a week. Helps us to build strength as well. So let's just practice that now. Okay. If you have space, we're just walking, but what I'd like you to do is go backwards also. Backwards and forwards. There's a great, I hate the word influencer, but let's just say that, on YouTube, knees over toe guy. He's brilliant. His stuff is amazing. He talks a lot about walking backwards and the benefits of walking backwards. Just using some different muscles. It's great for proprioception, that idea, so we can tell what's around us, our senses. Just keep those bags up. 10 minutes. That's it. You can challenge yourself as much as you want today. Put the bags down if you need to. If you don't have any bags, no problem. You can still get a nice bout of physical activity in. Don't forget to comment at the end of the video. Job done. Inspire others. Get a small victory for the day. It makes me happy. I love to communicate with everyone. Okay. Arms up. Tiny steps. So we're walking. This should be challenging. Building strength in our shoulders and arms. We want that strength there too. So when we're walking, when we're pumping our arms to carry us, propel us forward. I don't have a tremendous amount of weight in here. I bet you there's maybe 2 kilos in each bag. So you can have more, you can have less. If you need to set them down, you could set them down if you need, if this is too much, and then just keep walking and put your arms up. Without the bags, it's perfectly fine. Just do what you can. And just aim to get 1% better every day. Not comparing ourselves to anybody else. Okay. Nice. Now bring your arms down and let's take our walking. Maybe just raise the knee up just a little bit higher. And maybe feel just how grateful and how nice it is not to have your arms up. We'll do that a couple times. So it really builds the strength. So when we're carrying our bags, carrying our groceries in the day, doing it like this just feels like a breeze now. 7,000 to 7,500 steps seems to be the real sweet spot. I know we hear a lot about 10,000 steps, and that's good. It's a good number. It was the way it was created is there's a story to it. It was really from somebody trying to sell pedometers, but it really does seem that about 7,500 is really where we want to get to. That's manageable. We can do that. Just walking, you're going to build muscle strength, bone strength, cardiovascular endurance. It aids digestion. It promotes sleep. It reduces stress. The list goes on and on. I think March might be just about promoting walking and doing walking workouts. Okay. Shake that out. Loosey-goosey. kind of just get up on your tippy toes a bit, shake your arms out to loosen them up. Anytime you need to set your bags down, set them down. We've only got about 5 minutes or so to go, so maybe push yourself a little bit today. I'm still moving my legs, but rolling my shoulders back. Just incorporating physical movements through your day. What extra can you do today? Just to get a few extra steps in. They all count. 2 minutes of extra walking today, maybe 4 minutes the next day, 5 the day after that. Okay, go forward with the shoulders. Nice circles. You don't have to, you could just be here. Perfectly fine. Just trying to keep the legs going, get my extra steps in, just moving more often. Okay. Bags in one hand. We don't want to do this often. Always, if you go, and even if you have a really small number of things, always have 2 bags. That balance is so much better for our posture. We get like this, and it really is bad for our posture to walk too, but that doesn't mean we can't train once in a while. So to build good core stability, sort of a suitcase squat. So both in one hand, other arm is out, and try to stay aligned. You're almost leaning a little bit over to keep a nice solid midline. Couple more. Other side. We're not going very low, just a nice little squat, but engage the core, building balance. Core stability. Don't forget to smile. Life is good. Okay. And both hands. And let's walk again. We're just walking. We can find enjoyment of this. Going outside, going to the store, getting our groceries, collecting our things, and being able to walk home with ease and strength. That is a good life. Nobody needs to put 100 pounds or 100 kilos overhead. Hey, if you want to be a professional bodybuilder, well, wonderful. But for most of us, I think just being able to carry our things around with ease and just feeling good. Let's just keep walking. Okay. Grab them by the sides. This is a goblet hold. So elbows up. You can just hold it here. You can stand here and hold this position. Or if you like, you can goblet squat. Goblet squat would be more like this actually, but I want to have the elbows up. It could be a really small squat. You can go deep if you want. Maybe do a few deep. Again, always and every time modify the workout that suits you best. Some days we feel more flexible. We can get a little deeper. Other days, this feels good. Just embrace it. Don't overthink it. Couple more. Okay, nice. Let's go back. Bags in both hands. If I can find it here. We're just walking. Now, let's just build a little bit of balance with strength. So, tree posture, but your toe can be touching the ground. Wonderful. You could be here. You can come all the way up. This is a little more advanced, for sure. So, be here. That's fine. Or just stand and have them up. It's up to you. But we can build a little balance and core stability while building this strength in our entire body. What a full body workout this is. Okay, let's go to the other side. Choose what's best for you. Yes, my shoulders are beginning to tremble. I can put my attention somewhere else. I can put it onto my core. Engage my core. Don't focus on the thing that's the most difficult. We get to choose where we direct our attention. A couple more seconds. Yes. Okay. That's it. Short and sweet. You can, by all means, you know what? Let's do it. Let's put them down. But let's walk. So, swing your arms. Little walking meditation to finish off. And maybe this is a gratitude meditation. How nice it feels to not be carrying the bags. How wonderful it feels without them. And just be here. Feel your feet touching the floor. Notice the swinging of your arms. Just give 100% presence into this moment. How much lighter it feels. Oh, it's beautiful. We got to do the hard work. We got to push ourselves once in a while. That we can enjoy the easier moments. We get to the point when carrying our groceries becomes easier. I really do think there's some real quality of life there. All right. Brilliant. That's it. Keep showing up for yourself. Stay consistent. Daily physical activity so that we can be happier and healthier. I will see you tomorrow. And remember, comment, job done. Yeah.